Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your Instagram music isn't available in your region error. So to do that, firstly you'll have to download a VPN on your device. Now to download a VPN, navigate to the Play Store app on your phone and search for a VPN. You can just simply click on the search button on the top of your screen and type in VPN and hit the search button. Now, I personally use this Turbo VPN app on my device, so you can also install it by just clicking it and then clicking on the install button that appears on your screen. After the Turbo VPN is installed onto your device, open it up, let it load properly, and then connect it by clicking on this caret button like this. Wait for it to connect. As you can see on my screen, the VPN has been connected. Now you can choose the location of where you want the VPN to be connected by clicking on this option on the middle of your screen like this, and a list of countries will be shown. Now make sure that you choose a location where Instagram music is supported. So let's say the United States, Los Angeles, and let it load again. As you can see on my screen, the VPN has been connected to United States. Now you can just simply go to your Instagram and the Instagram music that is not supported will be now supported on your device. Now you can view your friends' stories consisting of Instagram music, or you can post stories by using Instagram music by yourself. I hope this video helped you to fix your Instagram music isn't available in your region error. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.